All right, here we're going to test this Smart Seal Seamtek sealer. We already have the temperature set, and you can raise and lower the temperature right here, and raise and lower the speed right here. You can control the pressure of the pedestal clamp over here, and the other controls have to do with the mode the machine is in and what type of lower pedestal mount you're using. Lower mount. This is the pedestal mount, and then that arm back there is the cantilevered side arm. But we're just going to use this pedestal mount right here and just show the functionality of running some material through it. So you open it up with the foot pedal, place it in there, release the foot pedal, and then you start it with the other start foot pedal. And hit stop. And there's a weld, and you can obviously get better results the more you play with it and set the proper speed and temperature.